Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can create odd numbers. Okay, so let's start by so the first number is going to be 1, the end number is going to be 101, and the increment is going to be 2. Okay, so that's how you're gonna create so 2, we're gonna do I plus equal 2. I think that's the way we do it. Probably. So let's print this number I and execute. Actually, no, execute. So let's see. We should only see odd numbers. Yeah, that's right. So we are only seeing odd numbers, as you guys can expect. So that's how you can do it. You guys can try for yourselves. Okay. So this was the video. I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys next time.